Let's explore Picotechnology, the next frontier beyond nanotechnology. Picotechnology operates at the picometer scale, 1/1,000,000th of a meter, manipulating matter at the atomic and subatomic level. Let's understand just how incredibly small the picometer scale really is. 1 picometer equals 10 to the negative 12 meters, which is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. To put this in perspective, picotechnology is to an atom what an atom is to a grain of sand. What possibilities does working at this scale unlock? Picotechnology allows direct manipulation of individual atoms and even subatomic particles to create new materials and structures. At this scale, we can manipulate atomic bonds and precisely control electron arrangements. This enables creation of materials with properties that seem impossible by conventional methods. Despite its potential, picotechnology faces enormous challenges. The energy required to manipulate matter at this scale is enormous, and our current control is extremely limited. Quantum effects dominate at this scale, making classical control methods inadequate. If we overcome these challenges, the applications could be revolutionary. Future applications could include perfect quantum computers, ultra-efficient energy storage, and programmable matter. In medicine, we could treat diseases at the atomic level, repairing individual molecules. Computing could leap forward with quantum processors operating at picoscale precision. Picotechnology represents our journey to manipulate matter at the most fundamental level possible.